Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a LinkedIn banner for freelance services with Fiverr references step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the LinkedIn website. Log in to your LinkedIn account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to your profile page by clicking on your profile picture or name. Locate the section for your profile banner at the top of the page. Click on the camera icon or the change cover photo option. Next, choose to upload a photo from your computer. For a freelance services banner, use a tool like Canva or Adobe Spark to create a visually appealing design. When designing, ensure your banner dimensions are 1584 by 396 pixels for optimal display. Include your name and a brief description of your freelance services in the design. Incorporate Fiverr references if you have specific gigs you want to highlight. Use icons or images that represent the services you offer, like graphic design, writing, or digital marketing. Choose a color scheme that aligns with your personal brand and is visually appealing. After creating your design, download it in a high-resolution format. Return to LinkedIn and select the banner upload option again. Upload the new banner design from your computer. Position the banner if needed to ensure it fits well on your profile. Once satisfied with the placement, click Save. Review your profile to see how the new banner looks with your overall layout. Make adjustments if necessary to improve the overall appearance. Now your LinkedIn profile effectively showcases your freelance services with the help of Fiverr references. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.